very simple. You have 15 minutes to acquire as much
Why is it
goodies
so
as you can.
tangled?
One wrong step though, and
Yeah.
you better start running.
Yeah, I'll just
It's
kill
the
I'll
kill
kill
box,
taken and
not
Danny
the
with
gift
one
box.
mine.
Ready?
I see that there are a few
they all
in
open?
here. We wouldn't
Think
want
so.
that to get boring.
I got the
Right,
gold on
audience?
me.
So
Fucking hell.
let's make it more
On
fun,
you. Okay.
shall we?
Alcatraz, this one is open.
Can't do the gold on me, Josh.
Alcatraz, run to me.
Yeah.
This one is open.
Alright.
Man. My gloves broke already.
Alcatraz, this one is open as well.
I should have brought another backpack.
Definitely got any more lockpick. Just do the gold. That's the one with the C4. That's what we're here for.
Yeah, okay, I'll try.
This one.
Tick,
Drop.
tock,
Okay,
tick,
defend me.
tock,
Yeah.
tock. It's getting a bit boring. Here,
Drop
have
me
a
like
bit of entertainment.
a screwdriver and a couple of lockpick.
No, let me try.
I'll push.
Open.
Nice.
Another pack C4. Open.
Get all the loot that you can
Open.
get. Yes.
Oh, one lock only. Open. Everything is open now, right? Yeah.
Get all the loot.
Remember, all contestants on the Scum Island came here voluntarily. They volunteered as soon as they chose to break the law. They say the more the merrier. So let's make it a party.
MK pack.
Nice. I can take a gun.
There was an M16 somewhere.
Yeah, I'll
picked
take
up
it.
the 16.
Okay.
One from one of the lockers.
Then
It's
do
here.
we have everything?
Kind
Here's
of.
another one. Okay, let's get out then.
Do we search the zombies?
What?
Do we search the zombies?
No.
Okay, do we have everything? Then we get out.
Mm-hmm.
Alcatraz to the door.
Let's go.
30 seconds left.
Enan is here, still limping. Here, Enan, take this.
Part of the decor.
You too.
Our lasers